you wanna taste BYOB at home, then watch this video.
This BYOB, it's awesome. You can try it at home and don't blame me if you gain weight after trying this. It's awesome. Finally, I am live. So I am Madhurima Basu and I am live from Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page and also Instagram page, that is Madhurima's Kitchen. Why I can't stop laughing? The reason is that today I am going to prepare a recipe that is BYOB. So what is the full form of BYOB? This is a viral one. If you Google it, you can get it. So let me tell you what is the full form of BYOB. That is bring your own bag. So bag means here. Let me show you. This is the chips. My favorite is Lay's American style cream and onion. You can use any kind of chips, but this is a fun recipe. It is very quick. Everywhere you get it, I guess. So why I am preparing this recipe? There will be some more ingredients, and I'm not preparing the non-veg version. I'm not preparing the veg version. Today I am going to prepare the non-veg version because I have little bit of sausage, chicken sausage, and I have chicken pepperoni. Pepperoni is pork pepperoni and chicken pepperoni, both you can get it, that is in online. So I got chicken pepperoni also. The reason I'm using chicken pepperoni is because my parents is going to eat this and they don't eat basically pork or bacon, they don't eat. So keeping in mind, and I have few friends who doesn't like pork. Even I don't like that pork thing. In winter I try sometime that bacon, but other than that I am not fond of pork thing, but chicken is my favorite, as because I do diet, and people say that chicken is a fat cutter. Yes, it is. So let's start with the recipe. And today I went for a movie, that is Dhamal 4. It was actually Dhamal. Seriously, it is good. एखन का दिन है, मतलब आज का दिन में जैसा सभी चल रहा है, इतना serious movie, life is so serious. So why serious? Basically, I love this kind of masala movie. Life has lots of problems. So for a couple of time, for some hours, basically I just forget everything. But before that, I have to shop. I went to Inox South City Mall, that is very close to, and I went for the 9:25 show. I'm sorry. So it was a hectic day because Rath Yatra is coming, and there will be a pop-up from 16th July to 24th of July. So it is a huge pop-up, and the menu already in Google and Facebook, Madhurima's Kitchen, you can find the pop-up menu. So there will be first time from a home kitchen. I'm serving the Korean corn dog, so I got lots of order for that. There will be Bihari ka chalu, that is kind of aloo kabli, what we Bengali, because Rath Yatra is there. Brothel Mela, everybody cannot go due to rain and something, but people can order this kind of menu. So Rath Yatra, you can say Mela or fair, that kind of menu is there, and there is a combo offer. People go mad for that because it is 99 and you will get egg tossed in butter garlic sauce, and we'll serve with hard rice, and there will be a drink. Either it will be jeera drink, or it can be ice cream soda, or it can be lemonade. So let's go for the recipe, and I want to have some water. This is my personal bottle, so I can sip it. So how to flip it here. Yes, I did it right. And let me sit. The space, my kitchen space is very small. That's why I cannot show all the ingredients. What happened? Okay, so I cannot show you all the ingredients right away. But let me try something. If I can show you here. So what we have, I have to arrange a bit. Small kitchen, small space, and we have to adjust. Okay, so finally I have my fan. So when I am doing the shoot, I have my fan. It's visible, I guess. If it's visible, you can comment or anything. If it's not visible, I don't know. Okay, what we have? We have different kind of lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. Is it visible? Yeah, it's visible. So this is iceberg lettuce, and I forgot the name. I'm so sorry of that. I'm very sorry. So this is the red one. It is very tasty, this lettuce. Another kind of lettuce. This is your task. Tell me what is the name of the lettuce. And this is the normal lettuce. I will use that. And here goes boiled sweet corn. These are chicken sausage. I just fried it. This is actually cocktail sausage. Means this is small in size, teeny mini. And this one, this is not pork. Rest assured. This is chicken pepperoni. This is not the pork one. Again, it's fried, so you can get it online. And these are cucumbers. And this is tomato. This is onion. Everybody knows. And what else I have? These are the 4 cheese. And some Indian touch. That's why this is chaat masala. Any brand you can use. And little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can use chili flakes also, but I'm bachcha, I cannot have chili. So this is mayonnaise I am using. Tomato sauce I have. Again tomato sauce. And this is American mustard sauce I am using. And another cheese. So let's start with the recipe. So if you scroll the Instagram, or if you scroll that net, you can see that people are going to the cart, and after that they are choosing some packet like chips and something, any flavor, and after that it start. So here goes the, when people are coming to your place, you can easily prepare it. Just you have to arrange these things. So this is cream and onion. I want to have some. I'm bit greedy. Now you can engage your kids at in your home so that they can break it. So just break it coarsely. That's it. And the fun part will start. Here I will add the corn. Corn is here. And those who doesn't want the non-veg version, you can add fried paneer. That is also very good. Everybody knows that I have a vegetarian friend, so for that, when I will use that, I will prepare this. She is no onion, no garlic. I will use something else. So tomatoes are there. First, here is cucumber, and after that tomatoes. And this BYOB seems very fancy name, but actually what I can say, it's chips ka chaat. I'm in a funny mood today. It's not because my order. And guess what? From now on, actually you have seen that maybe you noticed that every week I'm not coming for the live, as because I have to do my shoot. I'm doing some collaborations also, and at the same time, okay. So here goes. So if you're using paneer or if you're using chicken sausage, it's your choice, but you have to chop it like this, teeny pieces, like in every bite, so that you can have it. So the chicken sausage are here. Okay, what I was telling you, that I started the live cooking session from July last year. So already it's going to be 1 year, and I'm getting huge response every time. Maybe due to the time, everybody cannot be online, but yes, I'm getting response, and people are ordering food because they saw the live later, and then they are ordering food from there also. Some people tried it. I'm getting lots of inbox. First I used to think that why they are not commenting like others, why they are not commenting openly. Then I realized there are people who are shy like me. Personally, I'm very shy. I cannot gel with each and every people, but when it's work and when it's in front of camera, I'm very fluent, because I am working in front of camera since 2004 or 2005. So it's a long time. And now it's time for the chicken pepperoni. So I will cut it like this. Okay, one more thing, I know there are people who love pork. In that case, use the pork pepperoni, but don't use bacon. It doesn't taste good with this BYOB. Even the fish lover, you can use vetki fillet also. That is also good. So I will cut it. A mistake I did today. Now I can understand. I don't have the kitchen tissue paper. So the second one, it's a loaded BYOB. So the second one I'm using. And iceberg lettuce, this is a chilled one. Always use the chilled iceberg lettuce because that will taste better. The crunch will be there and it will taste good. And one more thing, whenever you are preparing this recipe, you can cut all the ingredients, you can fry everything and then keep it here, but don't mix it up. It will be soggy. So the mixing part you have to do it when you are ready to eat. So I am using half of the iceberg lettuce. So you can hear the crunch. Rest of the lettuce I have, I will prepare a salad for tomorrow. For my evening snacks, I will use this rest of the cucumber, tomato, and then I will use it in the salad. And sweet corn I have. So this is the reason I went to South City. And then the lettuce, the normal one. So I'm not using this portion because it will be hard. I'm using only this portion. Again, you can turn it also, but you know, I'm a style chef, so need some styling. Again, I cannot control my laugh today. So this is the third type of lettuce I'm using. If you don't have that red lettuce or this kind of lettuce, don't use it. Use the normal lettuce, but you have to use the lettuce and don't use band gobi or cabbage instead of that. You can use Chinese cabbage but not the normal cabbage. It won't taste good because I tried it also. I always think about, because these are very what I can say, expensive. So that's why I tried I was trying if there is something else I can do, but then I saw that it is not working. So if it's not working, I'll tell you it's not working. Okay, I got my, not the kitchen towel but something else I got. So just a first mix, I will give a mix. It will taste really good. As I said, you can say it's Videsi chaat. Videsi chaat in Indian way. So I am using this Kashmiri red chili powder here because this Lay's cream and onion, this is not spicy at all. And then little bit of chaat masala. This is Indian touch, Bengali touch, what you can say anything. And these are 4 type of cheese. Don't be confused, use cheese. And when you're preparing BYOB, don't think about your calorie. Every time calorie doesn't count. कभी-कभी बिना calorie के भी कुछ खा के देखो. I mean, don't think about the calorie and then okay. I'll mix it at first. क्या बक रही हूँ मैं? मुझे खुद को, I mean, मेरे को खुद को पता नहीं. Some of my friends, those are not Indians, they will tell me later that maybe I'm gonna mad today. There are some reasons that sometimes I cannot be unhappy, sometimes I can be happy. So I want to taste it. Even I called my father, he went out for the Adda session with his friend. So I told my father, if you don't come, we will finish it off. Now pura Indian way, chalo mix up karo. By the way, my hand is clean, you know. I am inside my kitchen and I always wash my hand. But yes, when I am serving it to somebody else, I always use the use and throw gloves. Most of the time I am using that. Let me clean my hand. So it is already here. And now the last part. As I said, that don't think about the calorie part. So we'll garnish with some mayonnaise. Oh, by the way, I got this mayonnaise free with bread. I don't know which bread I bought, but I got a free sachet. So I thought I can use it here. I have another sachet, not the sachet. And now it's time for tomato sauce. I'm not using oregano over here because sorry, in this chips oregano is already there, so if I'll use the oregano, the taste won't be good. I tried everything. And then this one, you can use any brand. I have this brand, that's why I'm using this brand. Brand में क्या है? And last thing, I have to finish it off with something else. When you will serve it to your friends and family, they will be surprised. Trust me. सभी को एक एक करके दे देना. Hand them one bag and they can eat it peacefully. Now it's time for some cheese. Cheese block. Okay, as I said, it's already done. If you want to have some chili, you can have some chili. So it's your Videsi chaat is ready. I'm sorry, it's BYOB. It's ready. So isn't it good? Let's talk to me, and because I have to go offline because I have to prepare so many things right now. Let me adjust my camera. It's stuck. Where it is? Where it is? Here. Here you go. So this is what your BYOB looks like, and as I said, let me taste it. People always tell me that you never try it in front of camera because I have to click picture, that's why I don't try. Let me try some. It is yummy. Choose any of your, if you want to choose masala flavor, if you like spicy one, use the masala flavor, and don't use salt in this because cheese has the salt and then chips has own salt. So don't use salt in this recipe without salt, because I know somebody will ask me that where is the sauce, salt. So that is why I am telling you, don't use the salt. Other than that, it's really very good. Do try this recipe. You have seen this in recorded video. So live it will look like this, and as I said that most of the time I cannot come for the weekly live. It is not possible because I started live, it's already been 1 year, so people are contacting me, and then what happened that I'm getting more orders for the food and also for candle, and so I'm really thankful to everybody. Thank you so much. With obviously I am working hard, but at the same time, if I don't have viewers, if they don't view my live or the recipes in my YouTube channel, I cannot reach here. I don't have much follower. If you see my Instagram, or if you see my Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen, you won't find much follower. But luckily I'm getting so many people, they are showing interest in my food. I'm really very happy, and that is the reason I am getting busy and I cannot come. If I'll get time, I'll definitely do every week. Other than that, I try to do as much live possible. Lastly, I used to do every week, sometimes 4 lives, every week 1 live, so in a month 4 live. But right now maybe it's not possible. If it's possible, I'll definitely come, but without live, no, it is not possible. Definitely I'll come for a live. If it's also once in a month, then also I will come. And do check Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel. Every Monday or Tuesday you will get the recipe. So that is a recorded recipe. I cook and then I upload the videos in YouTube. You will get the detailed video, because as I always say, 60 seconds it is not possible to teach you food. It is not possible. And after 1 month from this date, this recipe will be in YouTube also. So if you are missing it right now, you can, after a month, you can watch it there, or you can see it in Instagram or Facebook. So I'm going to enjoy this BYOB. And if anybody want to place order for my upcoming pop-up for Rath Jatra, do let me know. You can always call or WhatsApp me from 8 AM to 8 PM. Find Madhurima's Kitchen in Google. My location is Jadavpur, Kolkata. And about the delivery, you have to do the takeaway. You can see that how busy I am. am. I never go for the delivery. So you have to come to my place and do the takeaway. Otherwise, any app, a pickup app you can use for your convenience, and then the pickup person will come to my place and they will pick it up. So this is how I am working. That's it, and wish you all happy Rath Yatra in advance. And I will be busy from 16 to 24, so I don't think I can come for the live. It is not possible. I want to eat it anyway. Bye.